Kurugera hariyo rukukurire byiruka habwa polisi ya Kisoro Shaban Nteko butandeji eresurwe muvugi wayo okuvuga speed y'ekijongerezi akaremwa kwetorora enshonda y'enkuto atyo emotoka ekaruga hankuto ekagwa omurhanga.
Lost control and overturned at that place called Kanava. The cause of the accident we are still investigating. Kuna habere injiribe nienda kugwa cyukiresere motoka y'GR Madreva cyo kubiri n'icyo teka kuba abira paka injire kuriya kandi abantu
nayo njaragira ngo umuntu omwe nuwafire abantu batungo buhuta kandi abana bashatu tubahutire nakaki. Abahutire birukangizibwo mu irwarire rya St Francis mutorere kujanjabwa kandi omutumbi gofire nagwo gutuyiro mu kabafu omu irwariro niryo rumwe.
Who died is still at the hospital mortuary. The postmortem is going to be done tomorrow, and then UNHCR who are connected with the refugee settlement, they are going to handle the issue of that body.
Abantu aba bashangirwe bari empunji kandi nubagambwa kuba babire batorokero mu nkambi y'empunje ya Rwamanja barukugaruka Democratic Republic of Congo kandi ofire no mwojo w'emyaka 18 obira takamanyirwe mazina.
Babiri bari kukira afira mu mfombo
abantu babahugute umuntu yaviriya imodoka ikavara ikikubite firanga abantu bakwiriye kubaho barabaho.
Abatakani bagirangwe nkuteja habwo kugera emishozi ekizere kutuma za butanduza yeyongera kandi mu mwanya ogunugwo gumwe nabwo abantu babiri bahereze kuferaho mwanyuma ya trailer ibabire batamburiramu okore mu akusiba break amakuru agagasha kwa Kate Atuzarirwe.